You know that one Jackie Chan movie? Um, do I remember it? Yeah, I remember it. It was where he was a drunken monk master or something. Do you know what I'm talking about? I don't remember the name. That is who I am right now. Who stole from my moon goddesses? What scarred my lands and reaped like death as though that was your role to play? From where did your precious jewels and treasures come from? Those with full hands, dressed in riches while walking over bloodied bridges, will owe a large sum, return what was freely given and find peace, restore, rebuild, and lend out a helping hand. This isn't a fish slapping land. Gut no more, open your eyes, ears, and heart to the pain, bondage, and suffering brought on by piggish ways. Respect life, children, and your spirit, your soul, etc., etc. I'm watching the Avatar, the new live action version, loving it. But you know when the dude tried to steal the moon spirit, the koi fish, just because he wanted a legend, just because he wanted to do something that was esteemed as unbelievable, just because of the fact that unbelievable that the spirit thing exists. And it's just like, bruh, dumbass, bruh, bitch, bruh, the fuck, bruh. And that made me start thinking of all of those that know spirits that felt in that scene and had some type of awakening through the Avatar series. It struck a chord with them, and that's because that scene spoke to them about what someone took because they found how precious it was, and it must be a legacy to lay claim to it, right? Those are my moon goddesses, and they have been stolen from. My true legacies. That has nothing to do with bloodline, has nothing to do with riches or how big your net worth is. Has to do with the heart. It's always had to do with the heart. It's always been in the child. I mean, shit, have I not talked about the living word? I'll tell you more about the living word. Fitting through the eye of the needle, the only way you can do that is through the heart of a child. You have to truly go back to your seed, your core, your child, if you're going to get it. Do you get it? Do I even get it? Like I said, I'm the drunken monkey master. I had a little sippy poo tonight. Are you going to judge me? Are you going to hate me for it? Are you going to come at me with pitchforks and torches? No? Oh! Wake up, honey. The more resources, the more financial support you have means you have a larger responsibility at this here time and place on the earth to step up and help out. What part will you play? What role do you want? You want to be the bad guy? You really can't drop the ego. Get on my level. You're going to be fine. We aren't going to gut you. This is not a fish slapping country. At least not this country. You ever see that Veggie Tales movie? Jonah and the whale? and they ended up at a village or a town where everyone was slapping themselves in the face with fishes. Know what that represents? Well, you did this wrong. Well, you did this wrong. And no one's listening to each other. Everyone's just bantering. Everyone's just slapping themselves in the face with fishes. I'm really not trying to do that. But I really am trying to unroot some nasty ass shit that shouldn't be on this planet anymore. Because we're killing it. We're killing our kids and their spirits, and it's enough. Drop your riches, or I'll make them mean nothing in the long run. Your legacy's shit. But they can be turned into gold. They can be turned into dreams and talents. Stay true to yourself, your spirit, your child, and do the same to all those around you. It's time to walk in the love, honey. We got to bring the honeybees back. We got to flip the coin. Enough of people with riches that think that they can run the world, that have no idea what it means to live in the crevices and the nooks and the crannies and the shit piles of this world. I've had shit smeared on me. How about you?